Starting around 02 August 2023, Dogelon Mars basically most certainly is exchanging at $0.00000015 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.49% in sort of very most recent 60 minutes, which basically is genuinely critical. Elon in every practical sense most certainly has a truly complete market cap of $84,691,965, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $14,376,780, actually really in opposition to prevalent thinking, which especially is very critical. This in a real sense in every way that really matters, makes Dogelon Mars Elon fundamentally positioning at 262 in the digital money market in a sort of truly significant manner, or so they thought. In the event that you generally are a crypto financial backer and considering what sort of explicitly is the Dogelon Mars cost expectation end of 2023. What will Dogelon Mars quite be genuinely worth in 2023? Lovely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Is Dogelon Mars a sort of most certainly wise venture or beautiful kind of worth purchasing in 2023? Which actually basically is genuinely critical, which by and large is very huge. Will Elon cost fundamentally especially outperform its untouched high, or so they in a real sense thought? These in a real sense are our Dogelon Mars cost expectations for Elon's future, which generally is very huge, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. Dogelon Mars Elon value expectation 2023. As per the Dogelon Mars gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Elon cost for the most part certainly is supposed to in every way that really matters, by and large cross an especially most certainly normal value level of $0.00000018. The normal essentially least value worth of Dogelon Mars, toward the finish of the extremely current year, should sort of truly be $0.00000018, or so they explicitly in a real sense thought in an unpretentious way. Also Elon can outrageously arrive at a decently truly greatest value level of $0.00000020. Elon value conjecture August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Dogelon Mars basically sort of is gauged to by and large essentially be at around a genuinely lovely least worth of $0.00000015, which most certainly is very huge, really in spite of mainstream thinking. The Dogelon Mars value worth can in a real sense arrive at an outrageously limit of $0.00000017, with the decently exceptionally normal exchanging worth of $0.00000016 in United States dollars, which by and large generally is genuinely critical. Elon value conjecture September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of Dogelon Mars generally most certainly is gauged to in every practical sense explicitly be at around and in every practical sense sort of least worth of $0.00000016 in a truly quite enormous manner. The Dogelon Mars value worth can explicitly by and large arrive at a sort of extremely limit of $0.00000017, with the for the most part especially normal exchanging worth of $0.00000017 in United States dollars, showing how might Elon cost in every practical sense for the most part outperform its unsurpassed genuinely high in a sort of essentially huge manner, which in every practical sense is very critical. Elon value figure October 2023. The Dogelon Mars conjecture for October 2023 expects that the Elon may by and large essentially arrive at a very in every practical sense greatest worth of $0.00000018, with a really beautiful least cost of around $0.00000017 in a very significant manner. Discussing the in every practical sense certainly normal value Elon can explicitly in a real sense stretch around $0.00000017 for October, demonstrating the way that the Dogelon Mars value worth can by and large arrive at an in every practical sense beautiful limit of $0.00000017, with the reasonably most certainly normal exchanging worth of $0.00000017 in United States dollars, showing how might Elon cost certainly in a real sense outperform its record-breaking high, which for the most part truly is very critical in a kind of huge manner. Dogelon Mars value estimate November 2023. In November 2023, the cost of Dogelon Mars sort of is supposed to, in a real sense, be at around an all things considered least of $0.00000017, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Dogelon Mars cost can generally arrive at a kind of genuinely limit of $0.00000019, with the truly in every practical sense normal cost of $0.00000018 in United States dollars in a quite huge way, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. Elon value estimate December 2023. Concerning December 2023, Dogelon Mars certainly by and large is supposed to generally arrive at a truly least value worth of $0.00000018 in a fundamentally essentially huge manner, in an unobtrusive manner. The Elon cost could generally for the most part arrive at a truly greatest cost of $0.00000020 with Dogelon Mars, kind of in every practical sense. Past cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Dogelon Mars S cost all things considered has shown a very decent increment of 1.84% in the pretty absolute most recent 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner, which especially is genuinely huge. Dogelon Mars commonly sort of is confronting a beautiful kind of difficult time jumping aboard with most certainly sort of other crypto coins, showing how these in every practical sense really are our Dogelon Mars cost expectations for Elon's future in a very quite large manner. Sort of additional appearance how starting around 02 August 2023 Dogelon Mars basically in a real sense is exchanging at $0.00000015 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.49% in sort of most recent 60 minutes, which basically most certainly is genuinely huge in a by and large enormous manner. The Elon in every way that really matters is down to nearly 1.3% in the sort of very most recent 7 days in an in every way that really matters enormous way, which explicitly is genuinely critical. The coin basically in a real sense is as yet showing gambling with outlining portions for genuinely sort of past, especially couple of days. The coin could in a real sense have certainly areas of strength for especially yet. We don't, especially for the most part feel that it would a beneficial resource in truly present moment. Or so they by and large explicitly thought in a kind of enormous manner. Dogelon Mars value estimate 2023 facts what will in every way that really matters explicitly be Dogelon Mars sort of worth in 2023 in a sort of significant manner. The Elon value sort of for the most part is